How to watch the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade in 2025. The 2025 Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, celebrating its 99th year on November 27th, promises holiday fun with everything from a Stranger Things float to classic balloons as Macy's gears up for its 100th anniversary next year. The parade will be hosted by Al Roker, Savannah Guthrie, and Hoda Kotb, who returns despite her recent exit from NBC, making this year's event extra special for fans. For cable users, the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade will air on NBC as always. However, if you're looking for streaming options, you can catch the parade on NBC's streaming platform, Peacock. The Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade begins at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and will end at 12 noon, just in time for the annual National Dog Show. For anyone who likes to sleep in, the parade will air again at 2 p.m. The 2025 Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade will feature Broadway performances from Buena Vista Social Club, Just in Time, and Ragtime. This year, the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade features an impressive lineup of performers on its iconic floats, highlighted by the debut of the K-pop Demon Hunters Parade. Voices from Huntrix, the film's girl group, EJ, Audrey Nuna, and Ray Ami will sing as their character balloons float down 34th Street. Other performers include Drew Baldridge, Matteo Bocelli, Colby Kailat, Sierra, Gavin DeGraw, Meg Donnelly, Mr. Fantasy, Foreigner, Debbie Gibson, Mickey Guyton, Christopher Jackson, Jewel, Lil Jon, Kool and the Gang, Darlene Love, Roman Magia, Taylor Momsen, Tyler Peck, the Radio City Rockettes, Busta Rhymes, Callum Scott, Shaggy, Lauren Spencer Smith, Luisa Sonza, and Tiana Taylor. The best way to watch the parade from home is on NBC or Peacock, which provide full coverage and close-up views from Macy's Herald Square. For Spanish speakers, Telemundo will air a Spanish-language version hosted by Andrea Meza, Aleida Ortiz, and Clovis Nianao.